Hey everybody, thanks for joining me. Today, we're going to install security cameras on my house. 2 of these cameras we're going to make custom mounting brackets for. We're also going to install permanent house lighting. I hope you enjoy the video. If you have not already, please like the channel and subscribe. So let's get started. I have a lot of experience with the YesWelder product line. Between their welders, plasma cutters, and their accessories, YesWelder puts out a quality product. They are constantly upgrading their products with newer technology and safety. I am new with the eufy product line. With all my research, my experience with installing the products that I am going to show you in this video today, and my experience using the eufy apps, it is very clear to me that eufy puts in a lot of time and effort in putting out a quality product as well. With YesWelder and eufy combined, you will get dual protection. With YesWelder, you will work safe. With eufy, you will watch safe. And both companies work extremely hard to try to keep you safe. The first camera system I'm going to start with is the eufy S330 camera. You get 2 solar-powered 4K cameras, and you get a home base. With the cameras, you will get 4K detailed day and night. And with the Home Base 3, you will get up to 16 terabyte expandable local storage. With everything stored locally, there will be no monthly fee. Another great feature of the Home Base 3 is you can connect all your eufy security products to this device. This will also include older generations. This home base comes with a feature known as Bionic Mind. The AI feature does facial recognition. This feature can identify friends, family, or strangers. It can also identify pets and vehicles. As I mentioned earlier, you can expand the memory in this up to 16 terabytes. Today, I'm going to install a 2 terabyte hard drive. Installation of the home base is extremely easy. You connect the home base to your router. You open up the eufy security app. And the security app gives you extremely easy step-by-step instructions on how to install. The next product I'm going to install is the eufy Smart Lock S330. This smart lock is a keyless entry door lock. It also has a fingerprint biometric scanner. It also comes with a crisp 2K high-def camera. You can remote access your smart door lock with the eufy security app. With no monthly fee for remote door management and notifications, you will get 2K high-def resolution clear, real-time view. And this smart lock will also connect to your eufy Home Base 3. This is what the smart lock looks after installation. If you ever have any problems with the battery dying, behind the doorbell switch, you will still be able to access the entryway using a key. Using the eufy security app, you can set up users with a PIN and their biometrics. For my workshop, I'm going to install the eufy Indoor Cam S350. This camera has dual 4K ultra high def cameras and has an 8x hybrid zoom. It has 360-degree full room coverage and also has pan and tilt capabilities. It has motion tracking and also can be connected to the eufy Home Base 3. With the intelligent tracking, the camera will follow you or one of your family members around the room. In this clip, you can see the Cam 350 follow me around the room as I'm watching this part being cut out by my plasma CNC table. Before I install my next 2 cameras, I am going to make custom mount brackets. These brackets are going to be mounted under my eave and come down behind my downspouts so the downspouts hide them. There's a couple reasons why I'm doing this. Number one, I do not want holes in my siding. My wife asked me to try to hide these brackets as best as I can. So by coming behind the brackets and around to the front of them and painting them the same exact color as my downspouts, they are pretty much well hidden. There's plenty of software out there that you can design custom mount brackets. I am using Inkscape. It's a really easy software, and as soon as I'm done my design, I can bring it into Fusion 360 to create my cut files. I do have a CNC plasma table, so I will be using that for this project. You could easily get steel or a flat bar and create similar or the same type brackets I am doing on this video. The first bracket I'm going to design will come straight down. It'll bend out the width of my downspout. Then it'll be 90 degrees for the camera mount. The second bracket will be different. I need this to come down, also come out to the width of the downspout, and then it's going to make a 90-degree turn to get away from a bush. In my design, I clearly mark where I want all my bends by using bevels. When it's time to make my bends, all I have to do is line up my bevels. With the designs finished, I'm then going to open Fusion 360. I'm going to create cut files for my CNC plasma table. With my cut files created, I can now send it over to the table. The plasma cutter I'm using today is the YesWelder Firstus CT2050. This welder is a 7-in-1 welder and cutter. This workhorse allows you to cycle through AC-DC TIG, AC-DC pulse TIG, stick welding, plasma cutting, and as you can tell, this unit is CNC compatible. You can do this and more at the tap of a button. As always, if you have a question about today's video, or tools used today, or even if you have a suggestion on about a future build that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments below. If you have not seen the video of this CNC plasma table build, I will leave a link above for you. With all the parts cut out, it's time to clean up everything. I didn't show you, but I cut out small triangles as support pieces. What I will do is I will add these on the bends to give extra strength to the brackets. The CT2050 did a great job cutting these parts. There was very little dross, so the cleanup was a breeze. I'm going to take 1-inch angle iron. I'm going to cut 2 of them about 4 inches. These are a perfect size to make a great fit under the eave. These will be welded to the bottom of the brackets that we cut out. The welder I'm going to use for this project is going to be my YesWelder Firstus MP200. It is a 5-in-1 machine. It does MIG, stick, flux core, lift TIG, and also has a plasma cutter. The plasma cutter is a drag tip style cutter. This welder I bought when I did my offset smoker build and is very capable of taking on a wide range of home, maintenance, and heavy duty projects, like I showed in that build with my offset smoker. With my angle iron and supports welded onto the brackets, I can clean up the parts and prep everything for paint. The whole idea about fabricating these brackets is two reasons. One, my wife wanted them hidden. She didn't want to see it, so I got a beige paint, matched the color of the house and downspout. Worked out perfectly. The other reason is I didn't want to put any holes in my siding, so the eave was the best option. So I was able to fabricate these parts, come underneath and around my downspouts, and this way they were well hidden and the color matched perfectly. Once the paint dried, I grabbed the attachments that came with the cameras. I installed them on my brackets and I mounted it under the eave. This bracket is for my next camera, which is the Eufy Solo Cam S340. It's dual camera, solar powered, install it once and it runs forever. This camera has a 360-degree Guardian, no blind spots. The 360-degree Guardian is perfect for where I'm mounting this. My driveway goes along the front of my house to the side of my house, and that's where I park my cars. I'm mounting this on the corner, so the tracking itself can track my driveway and where my cars are parked. With the dual camera, you can experience dual views for the ultimate surveillance. The second bracket I made is for the second camera, for the Eufy S330. This will be mounted on the other side of my driveway. As I said earlier, all the cameras that I installed today, including the smart lock, all get connected to the Home Base 3. Using the Eufy security app, footage from all these cameras will get stored on that 2 terabyte hard drive that I installed on that home base. Like I said before, with local storage, there's no monthly fee. After installing the S330 at the garage, I captured this great footage here. I've been checking out permanent house lights for a long time. When I found the Eufy permanent outdoor lights E120, I was immediately intrigued. The dual LED designs gives you the RGB LEDs and also gives you a dedicated 300K warm white light. When you first open the box, they ask you to plug everything in and make sure all the lights work. I attach these lights under the eave of the entire front of my house, along the side of my garage, and partly in the back of my house. The installation was super easy. You clean under the eave. The bulbs come with a 3M adhesive on the back of the bulb, and the lights come with clips for permanent attachment. There's many great features to these lights. They have dual LED, they have the RGB LED, and a dedicated 3000K warm white LED in each node. These lights also link up to your Eufy cameras. So if anybody approaches those cameras, you can set it up that the lights will turn on in that location. Here is a demonstration of the warm white lights I have set up as accenting my house. The lights are totally customizable. You also have themes for holidays and special events. These lights also have an AI feature. You can type in a certain theme you're looking for, and the AI will try to find that theme and match it with the colors. That could be your favorite football team, your local high school, and the AI will come up with the best color scheme to your search. So let me show you how the lights work with the security cameras. When you approach one of the cameras that you have linked with your lighting system, that linked camera will tell the lights to light up in that section. This is all customizable. You can do an approaching light, you can do a warning light, you can pretty much do any kind of theme you would like. For me, I just have the area lit up, so if you come home late at night, it lights up the whole area for you. These lights will remain lit. I have it set for 1 minute, and then the normal theme lights will turn back on. So there you have it. The security cameras were super easy to install and set up. The permanent lighting are amazing. The custom brackets turned out absolutely perfect, exactly what I wanted. They blend into the house perfectly. Both YesWelder and Eufy are currently offering sales on their website. Click the link below to explore and find products that interest you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have not already, please like the channel and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.